What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the battery draining issue on your iPhone running iOS 18. If you've noticed your device's battery performance taking a hit after updating, these tips will help you improve it. First, let's start with updating your apps. Many third-party apps may not yet be fully optimized for iOS 18 on your device, causing unnecessary battery drain. Even if you have automatic updates turned on, those updates sometimes take a day or two to activate. To manually update your apps, open the App Store, tap your profile icon at the top right, and swipe down to refresh the updates list. Scroll to the bottom and update any apps that have available updates. This ensures better compatibility with iOS 18 and prevents older app versions from causing battery issues. Next, let's turn off keyboard haptics. While the haptic feedback on the keyboard feels nice, Apple has stated that it can use additional battery life since it relies on the Taptic engine. To turn it off, go to your settings and scroll down to Sounds and Haptics. Here, tap on Keyboard Feedback. Toggle off Haptic to disable the vibrations while typing. This small change can make a noticeable difference in your iPhone's battery life. Another feature to check is AirDrop's Bring Devices Together. This feature allows you to transfer files by physically bringing two iPhones close to each other, but it constantly runs in the background, draining your battery. To turn it off, go to your settings and select General, and then tap on AirDrop. Here, turn off the option Bring Devices Together if you don't use this feature. Let's also address live activities, which are real-time notifications displayed on your lock screen, such as updates from food delivery apps. These notifications can drain your battery, especially if many apps are using this feature. To manage this, go to your settings, scroll down to the app section and select an app that uses the live activities feature, like Uber for example. Under the app settings, turn off live activities. Repeat this process for other apps you don't want using live activities. This prevents unnecessary background activity and saves battery life. Another crucial step is managing location services. Many apps access your location even when they don't need to, which drains your battery. To manage this, open up your settings, go to Privacy and Security, and tap on Location Services. You will see a list of apps that have access to your location. For each app, review the setting and set the access to while using the app or never, if the app doesn't require location tracking. For example, if Instagram doesn't need to know your location, set it to never. This helps reduce battery usage by preventing unnecessary location tracking. Lastly, you can use Apple Maps offline to save battery life and data. Open Apple Maps, tap on your profile icon at the bottom and select Offline Maps. Search for your location and download the map. This allows you to navigate without constantly using cellular data or GPS, which can drain your battery. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.